Hi children, today we are going to learn 7th standard geometry exercise 5.3 first one. Draw a straight line of given length and construct a perpendicular bisector to each line segment using scale and compass. Now using scale and compass we will draw a perpendicular bisector. Your first question is 8 centimeter. So I have measured 8 centimeter. I have drawn here. You have to start from 0 to 8. So this is 8 centimeter. Now we'll take half and above. You imagine half of the line will be so much. We'll take more than that. We'll take more than half of that. And we'll draw a perpendicular. We'll cut an arc. We'll just cut an arc up and down. Once again, we'll cut another one arc. We'll place the compass in A. And we'll cut another one arc. Now, so that we have drawn two arcs. Now we'll join the two arcs. So this is the center portion. We'll join the arcs. This gives you the perpendicular bisector of the line 8 centimeter. Now your second question for 7 centimeter. So you have to draw 7 centimeter. You have to start from 0. You have to start from 0 and you have to end in 7. So this gives you 7 centimeter. Now we'll take half and above. Imagine this is half. You'll take more than that. Half and above. We'll cut one, we'll place the compass in B, we'll cut one arc up and down, and you can place the compass in A, and you can cut one another arc. If your arc is not joined here, once again you place in B and you finish it. Now let us join the two arcs. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the line 7 centimeter. Now draw a straight line 5.6 centimeter. Imagine maybe this is the half. You take half and above. Half and above. Place the compass in B. Cut one arc up and down. Once again you place the compass in A. Now we have drawn the two arcs. Now we'll join both the arc. Next is your fourth sum. 10.4 centimeter. I have drawn a straight line 10.4 centimeter. You know how to take the measurement 10.4. So from 0, this is 10, 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4. So till there you have to draw the straight line. Imagine, so this may be the half of the line. We'll take half and above. So place the compass in B. We'll take half and above and we'll cut one arc up and down. Place the compass in A, cut one arc. So once again place in B. Now let us join both the arc. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the line 10.4 centimeter. Next is your question is 58 millimeter. It is given in the terms of millimeter. First we'll change into centimeter. We know that 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So 58 millimeter equal to 58 divided by 10. So since 1 0 is there, we'll place the point before one number. So 5.8 centimeter. Now I have drawn a line 5.8. How to measure 5.8? From 0, this is 5. 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8. This is your 5.8. Now imagine this may be the half of that line. We'll take half and above. We'll take half and above and we'll cut arc up and down. Now we'll draw another one arc. Now let us join both the arcs. This is the perpendicular bisector of the line 5.8 centimeter. Thank you children.